Another day, another chance to explore. Hello, all the wonderful people out there watching my video. Today let's know about the Chandrayaan 3 mission. Let's us start with the pride moment and enjoy the launching of the Chandrayaan 3. Mission Chandrayaan 3 is the third lunar exploration mission by the Indian Space Research Organisation. It consists of a lander and the Pragyan rover similar to Chandrayaan 2, but does not have an orbiter. Its propulsion module behaves like a communication relay satellite. The propulsion module carries the lander and rover configuration until the spacecraft is in a 100 km lunar orbit. Following Chandrayaan 2, where a last-minute glitch in the landing guidance software led to the lander crashing after entering lunar orbit, another lunar mission was proposed. The launch of Chandrayaan 3 took place at the 14th of July 2023, at 2:35 p.m. IST, and injection of 100 km circular polar orbit was completed successfully as part of Phase 1. The lander and rover is expected to land near the lunar South Pole region on the 23rd of August 2023. Background of Chandrayaan mission. In the second phase of the Chandrayaan program to demonstrate soft landing on the moon, ISRO launched Chandrayaan 2 on board a launch vehicle Mark III, LVM-3, launch vehicle consisting of an orbiter, a lander and a rover. The lander was scheduled to touch down on the lunar surface in September 2019 to deploy the Pragyan rover. The mission may include site sampling and lunar night survival technologies. The subsequent failure of the Vikram lander led to the pursuit of another mission to demonstrate the landing capabilities needed for the lunar polar exploration mission proposed in partnership with Japan for 2025. During mission-critical flight operations, the European Space Tracking (ESTRACK), operated by European Space Agency (ESA), will support the mission according to a contract. The CE-20 cryogenic motor is a noteworthy accomplishment for India's space investigation tries, assuming a fundamental part in the progress of the Chandrayaan 3 mission. Objective of Chandrayaan 3. ISRO has set three main objectives for the Chandrayaan 3 mission, which include: Objective 1. Getting a lander safe and soft and perfect landing on the surface of the moon. Objective 2. Observing and demonstrating the rover's loitering capabilities on the moon. Objective 3. In-site scientific observation, making scientific experiments on the chemical and natural elements, soil, water, etc., available on the surface of the moon to better understand and practice the composition of the moon. Interplanetary refers to the development and demonstration of new technologies required for missions between two planets. Let's see the design of Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 comprises three main components. 1. Chandrayaan 3 Propulsion Module. The propulsion module will carry the lander and rover configuration till 100 km lunar orbit. It is a box-like structure with one large solar panel mounted on one side and a large cylinder on top, the intermodular adapter cone, that acts as a mounting structure for the lander. In addition to the lander, the module carries a payload called spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth, SHAPE, to study the spectral and polarimetric measurements of Earth from the lunar orbit. 2. Chandrayaan 3 lander. The lander is responsible for the soft landing on the Moon. It is also box-shaped, with 4 landing legs and 4 landing thrusters of 800 newtons each. It will carry the rover and various scientific instruments to perform in-sight analysis. Additionally, the Chandrayaan 3 lander will be equipped with a laser Doppler velocimeter, LDV. The impact legs are made stronger compared to Chandrayaan 2 and increased instrumentation redundancy. The lander will carry 3 payloads. 1. Chandra's Surface Thermophysical Experiment, CHAST, will measure the thermal conductivity and temperature of the lunar surface. 2. Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity, ILSA, will measure the seismicity around the landing site. 3. Langmuir Probe, LP, will estimate the plasma density and its variations. Chandrayaan 3 rover overview. 6-wheeled design. Weight of 26 kilograms, 57 pounds. Scientific instruments including cameras, spectrometers, and a drill. Communication with the lander and ground control team in India. The Chandrayaan 3 rover is expected to make a number of important scientific discoveries, including the presence of water ice in the lunar soil, the evolution of the Moon's atmosphere. The Chandrayaan 3 rover is a major step forward for India's space program. It is a testament to the country's growing technological capabilities, and it is sure to make significant contributions to our understanding of the Moon. Mission life. Carrying lander module and rover up to approximately 100 by 100 km launch injection. Subsequently, operation of experimental payload for a period of 3 to 6 months. The launching of Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 was launched on the 14th of July 2023, at 2:35 p.m. IST as scheduled, from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, India. The spacecraft has been effectively placed in the trajectory it will take to reach the Moon. The distance between the Earth and the Moon is approximately 384,400 kilometers. It is anticipated that the Chandrayaan 3 mission will achieve a soft landing on the lunar South Pole region on either 23 or the 24th of August. Funding. In December 2019, it was reported that ISRO requested the initial funding of the project, amounting to 75 crore, $9.4 million United States dollars, out of which 60 crore, $7.5 million United States dollars, will be for meeting expenditure towards machinery, equipment and other capital expenditure, while the remaining 15 crore, $1.9 million United States dollars, is sought under revenue expenditure head. Confirming the existence of the project, ISRO's former chairman K. Sivan stated that the estimated cost would be around 615 crore, equivalent to 721 crore or 90 million United States dollars in 2023. So friends, that's all for today. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.